Hello everyone, welcome to Xindun Power. In this video, we'd like to show you how to use our HFP hybrid inverter. Let me show you. First, connect with all cables and make sure all are connected tight. Turn the switch to be on. A logo like global will appear. The CHG light and battery logo are sparking. This means the main power is connected successfully. 3 working modes can be selected: grid, PV, and battery priority mode. Press Enter button for several seconds. Get into the menu and find A0. Press up or down button to select the working mode you need: grid priority mode, PV priority mode, or battery priority mode. HFP is installed with BMS. It can communicate with Lithium Battery. Connect data cable between Lithium Battery and the hybrid inverter. You can find RS485 port on the inverter. Please connect it. Press Enter button and go to A17. Press Enter button again and select the version of BMS you need. Please note the version of BMS must be the same as that installed on Lithium Battery. HFP hybrid inverter also has function that work with or without battery. Press Enter button and go to A11. Press Enter button again and select with battery or without battery working mode. That's all main functions of our HFP hybrid inverter. Thanks for watching.